Hi, I'm Andy Cave. I'm the CEO of Hamill Road Software, and we're at Label Expo to launch a new product, Bellissima. When I speak to a printer about Bellissima and I say it gives better quality, and I ask them, would you like better quality? They all say yes. But if I say to a printer, do you want to pay for it? They all say no. That makes it very difficult to sell a product if all it did was give you better quality. If I ask a printer or a repro shop, do you want to do less repro? Do you want to use less ink? Do you want faster make ready? Do you not want registration issues? Do you not want to have any machine bounce issues? They all say yes. And that's absolutely the key thing about what we have. Bellissima is not just about increasing the quality, it's about 5 specific things, 4 of which are improving the business case that would make somebody go with this. So let me just run through them very quickly. So the first thing is cost savings. With Bellissima, you will do less repro. You will have faster make ready. You will have less bounce issues. You will have more consistent color. If you misregister, it doesn't kill your reverse text, or it doesn't hurt your reverse text. So you can basically spend less time solving machine issues or flexo problems that are caused by limitations of the flexo process. Secondly, as I've already mentioned, you do reduce repro. So one of the big problems with flexo is a min dot. So 5%, 10% printable highlight dot is understood to be the best you can do when it's not. We can achieve just over 1% printed dot on narrow web and a just under 2% printed dot on wide web. That allows us to do fades that go beautifully to nothing, so you don't have to repro it and you don't get a hard edge. Because we don't have bounce issues, so our technology reduces bounce and in most cases eliminates it. That means you don't have to slow your press down from 200, 100, 50 feet a minute to try and get rid of the bounce. So most people, when we say we eliminate bounce, they don't believe it. So I'm going to explain to you why. So here's my impression cylinder, here's my substrate, and this is my big AM dot with nothing here. As it comes round, it whacks. And when it whacks, it bounces, and you get a light bounce problem on your print. With Bellissima, our dots are like this. Now, I've only got 2 hands, not 3, so I'm going to have to put one here and one here. But our dots are like this. So when our dots come round and they hit the substrate, they actually shake a little bit, and they squash a little bit, and they don't bounce. It's very simple physics. The fourth thing we can do is we can actually fend off digital, and we can increase gravure to flexo conversion. If you speak to a brand owner, they love the quality of gravure, but they like the fact that if you were to print 200 kilos of flexible material, it's 30 to 40% cheaper with flexo. But we actually can offer those brand owners the quality of gravure with the cost of flexo. In fact, we can offer them better quality than gravure with the cost of flexo. In terms of digital, when you misregister, it doesn't hurt the result. We get no color shifts on misregistration. Our make ready are faster. So if your make ready goes down, instead of only being able to tender for jobs that are maybe 5,000 meters, you can now tender for 4,000 or 3,000. That means jobs that you were losing to digital, you can now take back, and you can therefore make more money. So the 2 key things we do with Bellissima is we help you save money, help you save time, and we help you grow your business. That gives a substantial value, a substantial business case that you can therefore make a decision to utilize this technology. And by the way, you then get the quality for free. And when I say quality, you get the equivalent of 350 to 450 LPI without any of the issues of conventional AM screening. Hi, I'm Andy Cave, CEO of Hamill Road. I'm on our stand at Label Expo. I'd just like to introduce you to the team we have. So here we have Danielle, she's our marketing director. She's the star of this fantastic booth. If you come to the entrance of Label Expo, you will see a 20-meter high banner that is this lady's genius. Next to her, I've got Pierre. He's our commercial director. He's from South Africa, and Robert, who's our Flexo advisor expert. Pierre and Robert were the founders of Hamill Road in 1999, And if they weren't here, we wouldn't be here today with Bellissima, that we believe is going to change this industry. And finally, I'd like to introduce to Alfred. Alfred has been our reseller in Germany with our litho screening for the last 6 years. He's now moving towards we're now in the process of Alfred joining Hamel Road, and he will be working with us to take this technology to Europe and the rest of the world. And there are a number of other people, there's 7 of us here in total, and the other members of our team, they're around at the moment talking to various customers who are really interested in our technology.